Today, I will lead everyone to use our double-sided woven gold ribbon. Make this 8-segment ribbon bow. For its upper layer, 4 ribbons are needed, each 15 centimeters long. For the lower layer, 3 ribbons are needed, each 24 centimeters long. Then the waistline is between 8 centimeters and 8.5 centimeters. If the material is slightly thicker, we will use 8.5 centimeters. If it is thinner, it is 8 centimeters. Now let's start making it. Fold up and then down on one side of the ribbon. The distance it is folded is the width of the ribbon itself. After folding, we fold this side over. If it is wide, we can adjust it to be narrower. Then at this place, we make a triple fold. After making the fold, we use elastic thread to fix it. After folding, it is like this. The folding direction here is exactly opposite. First fold down and then fold up. Then fold over the edge on the other side as well. Then apply glue on this edge. Paste the upper and lower layers together. Similarly, make a triple fold. After this fold is made, the direction is exactly opposite. We have finished making the 4 on the top. Now let's combine these 4 small parts. Now let's make its bottom. We fold the ribbon in half. Find its central line position. After finding the central line, we open the ribbon. Apply glue at the central line. Then fold it in half and paste it on the central line. Now let's combine the ribbons. There are 2 ribbons on the bottom and 1 on the top. At this place on the central line, we make a quadruple fold. After making the fold, we use elastic thread. Fix it. We have finished making the bottom. Then we take the upper layer, paste it onto the bottom. We have finished making the main body of this bow. Now let's make the waistline part. We have chosen a waistline with positive twist. Now we turn the bow vertically. Then install the waistband. Now let's tidy up the front of the waistband. We have finished making this 8-segment bow.